So, in no particular order, this is SU 201207. He's a little barcock, has flown out to, I think we did 170, 200 miles with him. There's the wee man there. SU 201207. This is what we call a red grizzle. He's a red grizzle cock. He's a young bird this year, and his ring number is GB22V44749. He's done out to about 120 miles this year as well. So GB22V44749. Lovely little fella. This is a little checker hen, bred by Lindsay, but moved into my shed before the start of the racing, so I claimed it. And she is, you can tell the hens are usually a bit grumpy. She is, sit still doll, GB22V44716. She is a good wee hen, so whoever's got that will do okay. Righty ho, another 2-year-old. Look at the eye in that. If you know anything about pigeons, look at the eye in that. Anyway, 2-year-old barcock. He is SU20S4519. Beautiful wee bird. He's flown 300 miles. Another mealy cock, red mealy cock. His ring number is, just one second, is GB18 1L. So we'll go GB18L 18543. Another little bird that's been down to Yeovil. 300 miles flown by this little chap. He's a 4-year-old. Okie dokie. Little checker. One of this year's prodigies. Has flown quite well actually. You might do okay with this. This is SU22S1719. Little checker cock. Right, just for the sake of interest, just so you are aware, these people have no idea how this thing works. Right, so the next one up is Lindsay's tiger grizzle. It's my tiger grizzle, but she's going to adopt it. So that's his ring number, right? What we do is we get the secretary of the Pigeon Club to activate one of these. They're called an ETS, electronics tracking system, yeah? And then we pop that on said bird's little leg, flat side down. You're always better doing this than me, dear. And that clips on there. So this is a beautiful little bird. We call it a tiger grizzle because she's a hen and she's got this jazzy colouring. So whoever's got the tiger grizzle has got SU19S6365. Little tiger grizzle hen. Beautiful. Moving on. One of Pappy's favourites. Never raced her up till now. This is the first time she's been on the road and she's done rather well. She's a homebred Sujin and I love her. And her ring number is GB21L 00101. One of the first homebred Sugeons ever bred. A lovely little hen. Righty-ho. This is a late bred. This is late on. This one's not very old at all. Another little squirrel. See the eyes just changing. A little bar hen probably. SU22S1747. This is a monster, this one. This is a battleship. Sugeon homegrown myself again, a yearling, and he's SU21S2334. SU21S2334, and he's massive, huge bird. And the opposite of the battleship is she's tiny. Quite often distant birds are very small, and she is SU21S483, a beautiful little bird. Here we go, another little checker hen. She's on, well, my sheet is 770, so she is GB22V44770, I think. Here we go, another one of our super late breds, but is keeping up just fine, doing grand. And its ring number is, I need to get this off my paper, NEHU 22 SS65. There you go. Righty-ho, next up. This is what we call the Anderson hen. It came from a very good source. It's a very well-bred bird. She is SU20 S6425. That one will do okay as well. Another lovely gentleman, Grizzle. He is NEHU 22 SS66. NEHU SS66. Try that again. NEHU 22 SS66. Mr. Grizzle. There's another little rocket checker. SU20S1229. A little checker. Another little bar white flagged. One of my Sugeon families, a wee favourite of mine as well, so she'll be GB21L 00102. She'll be trying tomorrow as well. She's a good wee hen. Another little bar hen. Oops, wiggle it. She was the one that came into us from God knows where, so we took ownership from the owner. And she is GB21A 09281. She's a nice wee bar hen as well. We're getting through them. A little bit dusty now. Okay, you'll not miss this one. This one's been added to the list for somebody to buy tomorrow. Just in case somebody's not got a bird, they can have this one. And this is SU21992. The bonus ball. Okay, another one of this year's prodigies, flying really well actually. SU22 of the S's, I'm losing track now. SU22S 1750. One of this year's baby birds. Done alright though, flown well. Another regular hen. Let me just check there. Yeah. Checkered hen. SU. That was going to wiggle. SU21S 2339. Been on every training toss we've ever had in the last 2 years and always comes back. We're getting there now. We've only got another 3 to ring. Another white. Good flying white, this one. SU22S 175. Oh, what's happened to your leg? Oh, hang on. Mummy's got. No, we've got it. So SU22S 1756, a beautiful white. Righty-ho, and lovely little checker hen. This belongs to Lindsay. Oh, don't you fly away just yet, dear. And her ring number is GB22V44764. And I'll hand her back to Lindsay because, oh, I'll just let her go out the door. This'll do well, this one will not be far away. A lovely red checker cock on GB20L00127. The lucky lady's got that one. Okie dokie. Here we go, every race needs a favourite. And this little lady is our favourite for tomorrow. She is SU20 1215. Has flown the Scottish National. I was second on the day. Gorgeous bird. She won't be far away, so whoever the lucky person is with SU20 1215 might be in my shout. And we'll go for the second favourite. This gentleman went to the National at 300 miles, but got hawked on the way out of the transporter. So he only got 10 miles from the final, but he'd been to 270. And he is SU20 4519, your second favourite. This is an older bird, it's an SU19. SU19S 6365. Very jazzy colouring. She's what we call a tiger grizzle. And we all just started training her this year and she's kept up just fine. SU19S 6365. It looks nice if nothing else. This one's in my shout as well. A very reliable racing cock. SU21 797. SU21 797. Look out for this boy. He's not going to let somebody down. Here we go. That's another national distance bird. This is done the length of the country. You'll not be far away with this one either. He's a 21 bird. He is SU21 791. Lovely pencil tail, but you'll never bother with that kind of stuff. There you go, beautiful boy. Look at the eye, look into the eye. Okay, this one might be lucky. This is Danny Boy's favourite do. It's the only one he's interested in the entire sheds. It is SU20 1204, and it's another Grizzle cock. Oh, beg your pardon, it's a hen. It's a Grizzle hen. Bonnie, she turns up every time, and Danny's favourite. SU20 1204. Another of last year's little beauties, a little pied hen. Oh, look how timid he is. Oh, bless her. And she is SU21S2294. Gorgeous. Another little petite birdie. Oh, now then wiggler. Oh, petite wiggler hen. And this is, oh goodness, doesn't like me. No. Wiggler is SU22S1749. I'll give you a very brief look. There you go, that's it. That one I'll be trying. Right, okay then, this being TTR and chaos theory all over. I'm running out of time. I've got to go and get produce ready for the show. And several birds are still out, and I haven't got time to wait for them to make a video and basket them. I reckon I've shown you about 29, 30 birds. The other 10 will be there tomorrow, I can assure you. And all the very best. I've got to go and work on my scarecrow. Time's pressing. Take care. Thanks for watching.